ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين. قال الله تعالى: أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم، بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وما أرسلناك إلا رحمة للعالمين. وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: أنا خاتم النبيين لا نبي بعدي. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, all praises and thanks be to Allah, the Lord of the world. I would like to thank the Almighty Allah, who has been giving us blessing and mercies so we can attend this meeting program in a good condition. Peace and greeting be upon the noble Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has brought us from the darkness to the lightness, from Jahiliyyah era to Islam era. A one good night to all of you present here. My name is Muhtadi Rahman. I am going to be speaking to you today about the history of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah's Messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born of the famous Quraysh family of Mecca in 570 AD. His father's name was Abdullah. His mother's name was Amina. His father died before his birth. He lost his mother at the age of 6. So people called him Al-Amin. He married a rich to widow Khadija radiallahu ta'ala anha at the age of 25. He always went to the cave of Mount Hera for meditation. He is the last prophet and messenger of Islam and greatest of the world. Allah said in Surah Al-Anbiya, Surah number 21, chapter number 17, verses number 107. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. And we have sent you Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam not but as a mercy for the world. And Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Ana khatamun nabiyyin la nabiyya ba'di." I am the last prophet, no any prophet will come after me. Thanks to all my brothers and mothers and sisters. Wa akhiru da'ana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.